What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and another video. Today we're going to be doing another simple flip cup. I want to do something really simple, and because tomorrow I'm having a surgery done, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of nervous about it. A couple years ago I broke my nose in an accident. Those of you, I posted about it on the channel. I got in a truck accident when I was in Detroit, and my septum got pushed like underneath my sinuses. So tomorrow I get to get that surgery for that and repair that, but I am very nervous about it. It's normally like whenever I go to the doctors I get super nervous, so I don't know, we'll see. I'm sure everything will be just fine, but think about me, because while you're watching this video I'm probably unconscious and having the surgery done, so keep me in your thoughts, please. I would appreciate that. But now that you know what's going on with me, how's all of you guys doing today? I hope everybody's doing great. Right now I'm seeing if I can, yeah, I got a torch. I want to pop these bubbles that I got from the churn. Yeah, it created tons of cells in there. Right? Nice. All right. Now we're gonna flip. And then I have this titanium white here. I always like to put it around the rim of my flip cups, so then it kind of treats it the way an open cup would. I think I can't say always, but most of the time ends up good. A desirable outcome. All right, so I think we're good. I think we're about ready to flip it over. All right. That's wicked cool. Wow. So we still got some bubbles from the flip, but I'm gonna try to pop some of those and then warm it up so we get some cool effects going on in this green. Gosh, I really love using just two colors, because I just feel like the effects you can get out of just two little colors are simply amazing. So I am gonna torch right in the middle and then stretch it right away before the cells open up all the way. So let me get, there we go, and stretch. Oh wow, that is so cool. Dude. I love that bubbly difference between the... Dang. Alright, well, let's see if we can get a little bit of cell development on this side over here. I'm in love with this. This is phenomenal over here. All right, just a little heat. Not gonna do anything too crazy. There we go. I want to introduce some more cell action over there, but let me get you guys down here because this thing looks so cool. There's so much going on. Jeez. Love the gradients in these cells. Gosh, they're beautiful. That's where we'd use the torch earlier. So we got so many little tiny cells everywhere. I really like this one. If you want to watch another video just like this, click the screen right now and I'll see you there.